Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, so I'm not really big into PC gaming until recently, and so I just decided I kind of wanted more out of my gaming experience than just a console, which I will play console still, but I'm bringing y'all along on the journey to watch me build, complete my whole system all the way up into streaming games and everything like that. So I'm actually going to do unboxing of every little piece that I kind of get, and actually y'all could watch me build my whole system as someone like a noob like me. I know a little bit just researching off the internet, but not too much, so just bear with me. Now what I got here is the Corsair Graphite Series 780T. So this is a full tower PC case. So with this, I was looking for something that was going to be, kind of future resistant and just kind of be there, even though I want to upgrade to different things. Maybe add a different graphics card later down the road. Maybe have 2 of them. And then also I wanted options for radiators and things like that. So let's get this started. So this is actually the first unboxing I'm really ever doing of anything. So I'm just going to kind of give an review of the box itself, because I do see some damage here from shipping on the edges, which might be something expected. But with this, I hope the case is okay. I don't really know how they come in. So this is the front of it. Kind of show you on the back. And I did purchase this from Amazon, so this shows kind of the back side of everything. So it kind of shows you all the pieces it comes with, kind of lists everything. So I think I'm gonna start from the bottom and just kind of pull it out. So and I did get the white tower, so this is gonna be pretty cool. I never built a PC before, except for in high school. Not like a gaming PC. In high school we built PCs in our program that we had, but that was many years ago. Okay. Looks good so far. So I know I've been watching Linus Tech Tips on how to unbox things, so hopefully I don't do too bad. That's my dog Cece. Oh wow. It's alright. Oh, static. Seems well packaged. See, I don't see any damage on the phone. So looks good so far. That was the door was open on the side, so maybe it was roughed up a little bit during shipping. Just pray. So, it comes in this nice cloth. Wow. The panel here feels like metal. Yeah, I think it's metal. Like acrylic. And then the rest on the outside, it seems to be hard plastic, which I don't really mind. There is a metal inner case kind of seems like, and then they have like the white outer case kind of for the aesthetics, and the outside is plastic, so that should be good. Some nice big Corsair fans. Looks in good condition. You know, actually I got a deal on this. It was near the Black Friday time in 2018, so got this for like 129 or something like that. And then they were doing a melon rebate of $20, so it was actually 109. So that's a pretty good deal. And this case comes with the risers already for the motherboard already installed, so that's really nice. And let's see, comes with stand wires, everything. Seems kind of pre-wired. Also, the silicone seems really nice for the wire pass-through, so I like that. So let's go ahead and turn it around. Now, keep in mind, this is just a first impression. I will do a full review of the case after I build in it and everything like that. So this is the back side, you know. This is all metal, by the way. They're trying to do their own cable management here, but I think I'm gonna do a better job than that. So hopefully. There seems to be a lot of room back here, though. A ton of wire management room, like a lot. So that's good. I like that. And it comes with 2 SSD brackets. Actually, no, I'm sorry, 3. It comes with 3, so that's gonna be really nice. So this is a pretty good first impression. Dust filter. Definitely need that. And it actually comes with 2 dust filters at the bottom, so kind of excited about that. Really nice. One for the power supply, which I do have right now, and I will do a video on that too. Let's check out the front. Really nice. I like the way the aesthetics look. I was going for the just two slots. I didn't really want I know they had the 3 option cases for the same price, but I kind of wanted more room for, you know, customization on the inside and airflow. I found this would help with airflow a lot. Okay, Corsair being thought of. Keeping us in mind, it kind of put this little tape lip right here, so you can just easily grab it whenever you want to take it off.